Hey, beautiful ones. Alok and Anjali here. We're sharing a quick, easy, heart-opening Thai massage maneuver. It's called the motorcycle because we learned it in Thailand where everyone drives motorcycles around. And it's a great one if you've been sitting all day and you tend to kind of round the back like this. So it'll be really good. So we'll just have this. Whoever's receiving, sit cross-legged, or they can sit on a pillow if that's more comfortable. Legs out, of course, if that's more comfortable. We find that area just under the shoulder blades and on the either side of the spine, and we're going to place our feet there. You want to find the ideal distance so that your knees are bent and they'll reach back. Bring the thumbs facing inwards, and I'm going to grab the thumb like a motorcycle grip. They're going to grab back. So I walk my feet up so my toes are just under the shoulder blade. I lift my heart, deep breath in. Exhale as I push with my feet and open the heart. Nice. And then you'll pause, kind of release the pressure, check in with your partner, ask if they want more or less. Another deep breath. Exhale. So it's more pushing with the feet than pulling with the arms. I'm just stabilizing here with the arms. And my arms are straight, so I'm not bending my elbows. One more time. Inhale. Might move the feet a little bit lower. In. Exhale. Beautiful. And then you just slowly release. Have them walk their hands forward. And I'll come around and we'll just do the Thai chop. So you have your hands together, fingers apart, and chop down one side of the spine and then the other. And then a nice brush of energy. Try that out. Let us know how it goes.